ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਦਿਸ ਐਪੀਸੋਡ ਆਫ ਦ ਹਰਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਸ਼ੋ। ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਸੈਗਮੈਂਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮੁਲਾਕਾਤ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਕਾਰਪ ਅਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਾਰਮਨ ਟੀਵੀ ਤੋਂ ਆਏ ਸਾਡੇ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਨੂੰ ਹੋਸਟ ਕਰਿਆ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਕਾਰਮਨ ਰੋਇਜ਼ ਡਿਲਾਜ਼ਾ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ। ਇਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਨਗੇ ਕਿ ਕਾਰਪ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮਸ ਦਾ ਆਯੋਜਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਚੁੱਕਿਆ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਫਰਦਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੀ ਪਲਾਨਸ ਨੇ। ਆਓ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਾਰਮਨ ਨੂੰ। Welcome to the program.
Thank you, Harpreet. It's lovely to hear my name mentioned with such a beautiful accent.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So let's start with CARP. CARP is an organization
Yes.
which has been advocating for the interests of the seniors for a long time.
That's right.
So in the past, if you can take us back and tell us over here, what major work has been done by CARP?
Well, you know, I just got back from the CARP AGM, which happens once a year in Toronto, and that's where all the chapter chairs from across the country gather. So there were about 70 people there. And we went through the successes and, of course, the dreams for growth.
Right.
Because you can never rest on what you've done. There's so much to
Absolutely.
do. And so I thought you might ask me something like that. So I did bring with me the annual report.
Okay.
And in here, it talks about some of the things that CARP has, in fact, achieved.
Okay.
Because we're nonpartisan, but we really lobby hard for all the needs of seniors of today and of the ones that are to come.
Right.
So a lot of the work that we do in advocacy is not of benefit to today's seniors, but rather to the children and grandchildren.
Absolutely.
Especially when it comes to, support for caregivers, for example. That's a multi-generational thing.
Right.
So it says here, CARP successfully advocated to the federal caregiver tax credit in 2011.
Right.
So that's so that if a child needs to take care of their parent, there's recognition for that.
Right.
Retirement income security, we played a pivotal role in that.
Right.
National dementia care. What are we going to do with people that need help?
Right.
Patient-centered health care. Very important that we manage that and that we give one person that's sick one place to go. They don't have to be scrambling everywhere to figure out how to get help.
Right.
You don't have time, you're not well. Then what else can we check? Age-friendly cities. That was one of the best things for me.
Okay.
As we age, we
Right.
walk a little bit slower.
Right.
And so we need time to cross the street. Have you noticed that there's hardly any time?
Oh, absolutely. Right.
They're made for a fit 20-year-old, not for a slow 65-year-old.
Right.
And where do you go plazas and things
Right.
like that. So we're very keen on making all the new developments
Okay.
age-friendly.
Right.
And of course, we talk a lot about seniors housing because that's a
Right.
big topic here in Vancouver as well, right? And what else? And end-of-life care.
Right.
I think that, as we all know from the news, it's a very hot
Oh
topic
yes,
right
it has
now.
become quite a hot topic.
Yeah.
So various issues relating to the seniors were discussed in this AGM. And also, you went to Kelowna also, where the National Seniors Day was celebrated.
That's
Tell us a
right.
little bit about that. You were able to talk to the Premier also. So while at the federal level also, at the provincial level also, and at the city level also, work is being done. So what happened at
Yes.
Kelowna?
Well, Marianne Murphy, the chair up there, hosted an event where Premier Clark, a CARP member, by the way.
Okay.
Yes, and she came and spoke about seniors' issues as they relate to her government and her policies. And she, of course, is such a charmer.
Right.
And she sang, when she saw me, she started singing, Do-re-a-do. Her son is in the Carmen Opera at the
Okay.
time, so she was charming. And in fact, in Toronto, we had Justin Trudeau come and address us. And his promises should he become leader of
Right.
Canada. So we do a lot with politics, of course, and we want to honor all politicians
Right.
so that they can, whoever is in power, do something for all
Right.
of us.
Absolutely.
So we're definitely nonpartisan, but we like all of them equally.
Oh yes, because the politicians are the one who are going to frame some policies which can be
Yes.
beneficial, and irrespective of any political party they belong to. The idea is that the message should go across, and then if they are in power, they can work on that, and we can have some benefits for our seniors.
Yeah, it's important, and it's not all serious stuff.
Right.
We have a lot of events at CARP that are fun.
Right.
A lot of the chapter people want to have fun.
Right.
So in that regard, the October 1st is the National Seniors Day that we mentioned, and it's across the country, and we go to city halls, or we have, like we did in Kelowna, we have ceremonies
Right.
to honor the seniors, but it's around a party typically. It's all happy.
Right.
And then, of course, we go to the extreme where it's to honor our veterans and our
Right.
fallen. So on November 11th, across the country again, we laid wreaths on all the memorials, and
Right.
that's
At the
something
Remembrance Day.
Remembrance Day, very important for us
Right.
as well. So, and then, we're getting ready to keep those traditions alive, of course, and create new ones.
Right. And another new thing which we are seeing is that with your and April Lewis
Yes.
lead at the Joy TV studios also now, all the chapters are being brought over here and discussions relating to the lower mainland issues are being talked about.
100% CARP BC.
Right.
So what we want to do is unite our
Right.
power so that, it's in the numbers that we become strong.
Right.
And a united voice is the strongest.
Right.
So we're always looking for new members to join us. There's a lot of members that perhaps are not active
Right.
enough in the chapter, so we really encourage everyone to give a call and just come out and see how you can help.
Right.
And by all means, bring your friends.
Absolutely.
It's not expensive and it makes a big difference.
And of course, the magazine what we get is a great thing with a lot of information regarding CARP and other activities we can know about it.
Yeah.
Now on World AIDS Day, which is December the 1st, a big program is being done. Could you tell us what
Yes,
is being
thank
done
you,
now?
Harpreet. One of the things that, at CARP, we support all seniors of, all of them.
Right.
And so one of the things that we've been meaning to do is to unite also with the LGBTQ community. So now we're in the process of uniting that demographic with
Okay.
CARP Pride.
Right.
And to that end, we're very pleased to announce our support and partnership of AIDS Vancouver.
Okay.
And they do amazing work around the world.
Right.
And so on December 1st, they have they launch a food drive.
Okay.
And Biff Naked, no introduction needed for a woman like that.
Right.
So she's donating all the proceeds to her new single,
Okay.
to AIDS Vancouver, from around the world sales. So it's really
Right.
good. But there's a lot of seniors living in poverty. And then on top of that, you put AIDS in it.
Right.
So even, they say people are not dying, but they're living longer with AIDS. So it's our moral obligation to help all of us have a dignity in life.
Right.
And so, yes, on December 1st, carp.ca is the website for that. And
Right.
then the website for this is aidsvancouver.org.
Right.
And December 1st, there's all the details, but 11:30 to 1:30 will be there.
Thank you very much for all this information, and in future also whatever plans and programs are being organized, we'll tell our listeners and viewers about that. Thank you and best wishes.
Thank you so much, Harpreet. Pleasure to be able to share this
Same
with you.
here. Thank you.
Thank you.
ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਾਰਮਨ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ ਕਿਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਾਰਪ ਉਹ ਸੰਸਥਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਬਜ਼ੁਰਗਾਂ ਦੇ ਇਸ਼ੂਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ। ਟੋਰਾਂਟੋ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ AGM ਹੋਇਆ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿ 70 ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਪੂਰੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਭਰ ਤੋਂ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਚੇਅਰਸ ਨੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਵਟਾਂਦਰਾ ਕੀਤਾ। ਬਹੁਤ ਅਹਿਮ ਮੁੱਦਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਸਿਹਤ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਬੰਧਿਤ ਸਨ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਬਜ਼ੁਰਗਾਂ ਦੇ ਜੀਣ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਬੰਧਿਤ ਨੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਅਖੀਰਲੀਆਂ ਇੱਛਾਵਾਂ ਕੀ ਹੋਣੀਆਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਘਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਟਰੀਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਇਸ਼ੂਜ਼ 'ਤੇ ਡਿਸਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਈ। ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਬਾਤਾਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਕਿ ਜਿਉਂ-ਜਿਉਂ ਬੰਦਾ ਬਜ਼ੁਰਗ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਤਿਵੇਂ-ਤਿਵੇਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਨੀਡਸ ਬਦਲਦੀਆਂ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ। ਏਜ ਫਰੈਂਡਲੀ ਸਿਟੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਵੀ ਜ਼ਿਕਰ ਹੋਇਆ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਮੁੱਦਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਤੱਕ ਪਹੁੰਚਾਇਆ ਜਾਵੇ। ਇਹ ਜੋ ਕਾਰਪ ਹੈ, ਕਾਰਪ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਇਹ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਪੋਲੀਟੀਕਲ ਸੰਸਥਾ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਈ। ਇਹ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਹੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੀ ਸਿਆਸਤਦਾਨ, ਉਹ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਕੰਜ਼ਰਵੇਟਿਵ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਦੇ ਹੋਣ ਜਾਂ ਲਿਬਰਲ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਦੇ ਹੋਣ ਜਾਂ NDP ਦੇ ਹੋਣ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੱਕ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਬੁਲੰਦ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਬਜ਼ੁਰਗਾਂ ਦੇ ਮੁੱਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵੱਲ ਧਿਆਨ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਾਵੇ। ਰਿਮੈਂਬਰੈਂਸ ਡੇ ਮਨਾਇਆ ਗਿਆ, ਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਸੀਨੀਅਰਸ ਡੇ ਕਲੋਨਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਨਾਇਆ ਗਿਆ, ਤੇ ਹੁਣ 1 ਦਸੰਬਰ ਨੂੰ ਏਡਜ਼ ਡੇ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਪੂਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਭਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਨਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਉਸ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸਕਰੀਨ ਤੇ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਹ ਵੈਬਸਾਈਟ ਹੈ, ਇੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਹੋਰ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਲਈ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ। ਤੇ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕਾਰਪ ਦੇ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਬਣੋ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਰਲ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਬਜ਼ੁਰਗਾਂ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਸ਼ੂਜ਼ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਹੀ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਅੱਗੇ ਲਿਜਾ ਸਕੀਏ।